Hindi, at the onset po, dapat pumunta sila. How will you know that the proceedings will be unintelligent if on the first place you weren't there?
Kung hindi
Bakit
hindi naman
nandun
po
sila?
niya sinabi na the hearings were unintelligent. Ang sinasabi po niya, paano namin masagot ng maayos, and his word was intelligently. How can we answer intelligently kung hindi namin alam kung ano itong mga ipapakita dun sa hearing, like the SALN daw. Kasi after the hearing na daw binigay, in fairness naman daw sa House, binigay naman daw sa kanila, pero pagkatapos na daw po ng hearing.
Ang alam ko po, lahat ng pwedeng itackle that day, advance po na binibigay para mapag-aralan ng Justice Committee members. And I believe what was passed on to us is also what is given to everybody involved in the hearing. So, I cannot comment about that na sabihin nila. Kasi ang sa akin lang, ma'am, dapat nandoon tayo para, di ba? Sinasabi naman right after the committee hearing, what is the next element na isa-tackle, ano yung next, ano yung third. So, at the onset, pwede naman silang magtanong about that eh. Kung talagang wala silang natanggap na kopya. Basta ang alam ko lang, we are furnished with everything. Advance po yung furnishing because they are expecting the Kongs to read and understand.
Okay.